Hey Vitis, what's up? So, have you done with your conference?
No, I still have to present my work.
Okay,
This is
so
the schedule of presentation.
okay,
I'm
let me
somewhere. I'm somewhere here. Let me see.
okay. So, okay. What exactly happens in academic conference?
So, in an academic conference, people for that particular area of research come to meet and present their work, what they are doing research for. This is a conference about wireless communication and other communication products, I2P ANS. So it is one of the best conference of communication in India. So I'm here to present my work. When you register for a conference, you get a conference kit in which some food coupons are there,
Okay,
some writing pad, and some pens.
why these conferences are important for a researcher?
So actually, conferences are mainly to communicate with other researchers. So in these conferences, we actually know what other research groups are doing, and we can update our knowledge. We can learn new things, and we can ask for collaboration. Means if I am working on a particular topic and somebody else is working on a particular topic, we can combine and produce a much better result or some good work.
Okay, so whatever you are going to present in today's conference, it means that you have implemented something.
Yeah. So the papers are like theoretically proven
Okay,
or implementation. There could be many things. So in this conference, there will be some papers of theoretical proofing, like mathematical proof, and some paper will be based on implementation theories. So yeah, they vary a lot.
okay. Right now we are at the conference room.
Podium.
This is podium where the student will present their presentation regarding their project. Alright. By what time?
After 4 hours, and the audience will be here. They can ask a few questions. So right now the room is empty, but once the presentation will start, then
So now we will go for lunch. Thereafter we will come again here and we will attend the conference.
so now it is tea coffee time, and this is a time when researchers socialize with each other. So you can see there on this side that how researchers usually socialize with each other. So you can see various researchers are talking, and there might be a talk of collaboration, future collaboration, or the disclosure of work, or just they want to know that what new topic they are building upon.